Thank you so much for subbing at STMA. Looks like you found yourself into a room that has one of these flat panels. I'm going to show you guys how to turn it on and operate it. So let's start. The power button is right here, so we're going to go ahead and press this orange button, which powers up the board. This is the main display, but we'd like it to mirror what's going on your computer. So first thing we're going to do is hit input down here, one of our 4 options, and now I can click on to the computer. So now whatever the computer sees and the sounds coming out of it are going to be on the SMARTBoard. Okay, let's say we don't want to use the computer though. We need to make a new whiteboard. Go back to the main screen by clicking on the little white line down there. And then from here, we go over to, usually the teachers will have this in their favorites. If they don't, I'll show you where to get to it. New whiteboard. That'll allow us to bring up this whiteboard where we can use our pens and draw. Wherever we want to draw, draw some circles, maybe a hello. On the back of the pens, there's an eraser, just like on a regular pen. We can erase. We also have a bigger eraser too that we can use. All right, again, if you want to go back to the main screen, just hit this little line down here. Some other things we can do on the board. We can browse the internet on the board. So we can click browser here. And now we can watch like the morning news, or we can even just Google something. It's pretty good. Other things, the board is a touchscreen, as you can see. We can open up, when we get back to our computer screen, we can use our finger just like we do our mouse. We can open up Smart Notebook from here. In Smart Notebook, if you want to get in presenter mode, you go to View, Full Screen. Let's say we're enjoying some music that's a little bit too loud. We can either go over to our computer and turn it down, or we can turn it down from the board on the side, and also turn it up on the side. Exciting stuff. So if you're having some technical difficulties, something just is not quite loading right, or pens aren't lining up, or they're not connecting, something that you can do to troubleshoot very simply is there's a power button on the back of the SMARTBoard, a little switch. Flip that switch, flip it back on. That'll 9 times out of 10 sync back up your pens and fix any software issues with the board